Hi everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the studio at the Urby. Isn't this just gorgeous? This is a studio? Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at the detail. Look at the beautiful floors that's here. Look at the windows. This is amazing. And the walls have this gorgeous two-tone paint on it. Look at that couch. This is just simply gorgeous. And listen, they call this a studio, but it's really not. I mean, look at this. It's actually got a separated area for the bed, and the bed's right there. So there's that frosted glass barn door that closes. And then look at this kitchen. This kitchen is just dynamic. It's beautiful. It's got a very modern European feel. Look at this kitchen with all these appliances here. This is Blomberg appliances. It's gonna feel very, just very modern, like you're in a Swiss chalet almost. I mean, as far as the feel here, it's very European. Feels great. And then here's a closet that's over here too. This closet is amazing with all these built-ins, so you've got a great feel there. And then hey, look at this. You've got a gorgeous bathroom. The bathroom. Look at this. Look at the flooring. It's really intricate down there. And then you've got all this over here. This is just simply gorgeous. This walk-in shower, and it's huge. Hey, don't you want to be in here? Don't you want this kind of life? This has become a super popular area to be in, a super popular building. The Urby is second to none. It's gorgeous. I have so many clients that love it. Send me a text on the number below. Send me a text, just say, Grant, I'm loving that Urby. I'd like to get some more information about it. And I will respond right away because I'm good at that. That's who I am. That's how I roll. So send me a text. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it on YouTube. Hey, we're about to see some more videos.